Alright everybody, hello and welcome. It's me, Pyramid Head, back with part 18 of Sphinx and the Cursed Mummy. And hopefully I can do this part without too much trouble. Okay. No time to mess around on this one. Holy crap, that was close. Whew. I wonder what this one's like. Crap. Yeah, don't get within the circle. Oh shit! Oh well, I'll just keep going. Hopefully. Oh no! Please, 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 please. Oh, that was a close one. Okay, I can't quite do what I wanted to do here yet, so... And I'm gonna need to go back and capture more Slim Burble. Shit. So that's my main goal finished, but what is actually back in those caves here, I'm wondering. Huh. Okay, so I can't go check that now. Alrighty then. The hero has returned, you rescued my wife, how can I ever repay you, blah blah blah. I didn't realize when we first met that you were an apprentice of our friend Imhotep. He said he wants to speak with you in the sunshine. He also asked me to give you this. He seems to be provide useful in your quest. Oh, it's this place. Okay. You know what? Since I'm only 8 minutes in, I'm gonna talk to this guy. Heliop, and all those weaklings from Abydos. But I haven't been able to practice because of the damn electric eels. Yeah, I can do it. I've done this actually. It's not that hard. Like, this is one I have definitely done. Oh shit, that was not my fault. Alright. Simple enough. Now, I still don't have the ability to attack underwater, so I can't. You know what, I'm going to save here. Actually, no. Yeah, I'm going to save, but I'm not going to quit here. I'm going to go to Abydos, fill out a little bit of the time for the episode. Because I know exactly where I need to go. Anubis has informed me that he wants the tower. This portal amulet will allow you to use the portal behind me to travel directly to Anubis Tower. Anubis... Why couldn't Anubis come tell me this shit himself? Guys, I think I know that we're getting close to where I get the furthest I've ever gotten into this game. Like, I think there's a boss fight coming up in Abydos. Yeah, because we have to go to Abydos after, that's what Anubis wants from us. Is he wants the Abydosian crown. So, we got a bunch of errands and shit to take care of in Abydos. Yep, he wants that crown, and you need to be the boss to get it. Which, considering how much trouble I have with basic enemies... Right, let me just check my items. I couldn't tell, I forgot to read, is it a document? Is it to get inside the council chambers? Or is it to, yeah, I think you need to get inside the council chambers, then you get to go see that guy who only opens up on official business. And then I think you need to play as the mummy to get an item that you need to gather those plants, and then shit. And then the boss. You have to gather the plants, then the boss. Fuck. Does this person do anything other than sit around and gossip with the first person who comes by? No, I've got some Abydos jewels to return. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna sell off some monsters. I wonder who this person with the right skills is. Is it a guy who's here? Wow, I didn't get anything for that. Alright, let's go check out the Hall of Jewels and see what these jewels look like. The Jat Tribunal is held in Thebes, for which there was a record number of 312 defendants. So confused was great Ken Bet, who presided over the case. He eventually trusted the Abydos Museum, for which his cousin the mayor is grateful. Alright, oh, here's the other one. Donated by the Lady Nut, renowned for holding the most extravagant wedding ceremony. The number of guests in attendance exceeded the population of the town in which it was held. So, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of these fuckers left. Okay. I don't know why you can't just tell me how to get to them. Alright guys, can I talk to this guy? What's Keaton gonna say to me? Okay, nothing else. Alright, I'm gonna go hit up that save point and then call it a day because I'm tired. Okay guys, that's the end of that session. Went on way longer than I intended, but hope you